the 13th of October, 2024. Today, October 13th, 2024, we witness a defining moment in the history of the Nile Basin and in the broader story of Nile transboundary water cooperation. Today marks the official entry into force of the Agreement on the Nile River Basin Cooperative Framework, also known as the Cooperative Framework Agreement (CFA). The status of deposition of instruments of ratification or accession to the CFA and the date of entry into force of the CFA was formally confirmed by the African Union, the depository of the CFA, on the 4th of September, 2024, in line with Articles 43 and 45 of the CFA. The Cooperative Framework Agreement, the result of over a decade of negotiations, is a testament to our collective determination to harness the Nile River for the benefit of all, ensuring its equitable and sustainable use for generations to come. The agreement was negotiated amongst 9 Nile riparian countries: Burundi, DR Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, Rwanda, Sudan, Tanzania, and Uganda, and comes into force after its signature and ratification by 5 countries: Burundi, Ethiopia, Rwanda, Tanzania, and 1. Uganda, and accession by a 6th country, South Sudan. This is a moment to congratulate the governments and people of the 10 Nile riparian countries, and all partners and stakeholders, for their patience, resolve, and dedication to this cause in our basin, which stretches over 11 countries, including Eritrea, which has hitherto participated in Nile cooperation efforts in the role of observer, and sustains more than 500 million people. The Nile is more than just a river. It is our lifeline. Its waters have nurtured civilizations, shaped our economies, and defined our cultural heritage and identity. Yet, the challenges we face in managing these waters are significant. Our economies are growing, but many in the region remain vulnerable. Climate change, environmental degradation, and growing population pressures threaten the resources we so dearly depend on. This is why the CFA is not merely a legal agreement. It is a vision for how we can come together to ensure the sustainable and equitable use of the Nile's resources. One of the key aspects of the CFA is its promotion of transboundary cooperation and ensuring that all riparian states have a voice in the management of the river's resources. Water does not recognize borders, and in the face of growing demand and finite resources, cooperation is the only sustainable path forward. This agreement enshrines the principles of collaboration, equitable use, and mutual respect among the countries that share the Nile's waters. The CFA further establishes a mechanism for peaceful dispute resolution, fostering a culture of dialogue and understanding. This is a model not only for the Nile region, but for the world, showcasing how nations can come together to resolve common challenges for the greater good. Another crucial pillar of this framework is equity. The CFA aims to rectify historical imbalances in access